Horses out, we have Silver Glides past the begin Green Street, Euromax moving up, Janet Linori outside, then followed by Caught in the Act, next in line RGA, Danori inside, Majestic Queen, then followed over by Amazing Damascus, Andy's Ram, Sharp Eye, and Red Hot Water is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn we have Green Street, the leader by about 3 lengths, Silver Glides, Danori inside is Janet Lynn, 2 lengths for the back import, Majestic Queen, Euromax is racing in fifth, Caught in the Act alongside 6, Andy's Ram in 7, then followed by Amazing Damascus, RGA, Red Hot Water, and a long way back to Sharp Eye, and still Green Street by about 3 lengths, Silver Glides, Majestic Queen now moving up by to take second, Caught in the Act in fourth, Euromax, then here comes Andy's Ram, now trying to get closer in 6, Majestic Queen now takes the lead, Green Street, Silver Glides, moving up on the outside, now is Andy's Ram, Andy's Ram is on the outside, Majestic Queen is running by the last, they come to the last 150, now we have Eddie Boy, Villa Hermosa on Andy's Ram, saying come on, let's go, this time by about 3 lengths, and in second is Majestic Queen, Silver Glides, and finally it's Andy's Ram, Majestic Queen, Silver Glides, then comes Amazing Damascus, Sharp Eye, RGA, Caught in the Act for your Super 6.
Wala.
Amazing Damascus, tapos pumasok yung Sharp Eye.